Here we are live on Coffee with the Rev. So today I think we're going to talk about another aspect of business, basic business tools. Simple, yes. Easy to do, sort of. Does everybody do it? No way. That's just the way it is. So I want to talk about some aspects of business tools to help you become more and most probably successful. Because I found over the years, some of the biggest reasons or causes for people to fail is they didn't have the right tools for the job. And that sounds pretty simple. And you think, well, business, what's the right tool? Well, the right tool is to present the image you are wanting to project consistently from you across all of your employees and every bit of material, equipment, whatever that pertains to your business. So here we go. I'm going to concentrate on a few things. The list could go on and on. So we're going to do some simple stuff. We hope you figured out the type of business you want and that you got a business name. Those are key. And without that, what are you doing? Next, go to your local government office. I guess each area has an office specifically for business. It depends on where you live, what they call it. Get a business license. They're going to ask you probably, how much revenue do you think you're going to bring in? You're just getting into business. You don't know. And don't tell them some far out figure because you know so-and-so that did such and such and they did this much in their first year. Tell them I have no idea what my revenue will be. I hope to make $100 a month right now. And they might laugh or they might not. It depends on how well you have a rapport with them. But they'll give you the minimum business license. It's different for every area, so I can't give you a ballpark. I can just tell you that most of the time, a minimum business license is $25 or $35, whatever it is. Then ask them where you go to register your business name while you are there. Register your business name. This separates you from other people wanting to go into the same business. Nobody else can use that name. It's your name. It's your business. Make sure you get it registered. That could be $10 or $20, whatever your locale charges. It's not much. It's well worth doing. So, got your business license, got your business name, because that's how you got your business license. You are registered. Now, let's talk money. This is going to be fun. Okay, there's a lot of accounting programs out there. You should get the free versions. Don't go into any detail about banking or anything on these. To see which one fits best with your learning style. There's Quicken for home and business. There's QuickBooks, which is what I use, what I learned on years ago. There's FreshBooks. There's Wave Financial. I don't know much about FreshBooks or Wave, but they're new, so hopefully they'll be easy. Get this accounting software. Get you a bank account right away. Check with the local banks. See which ones do charge and don't charge for business checking. There, you'll have to deal with the banks at wherever you're at. They're all different. There's no one size fits all. Of course, your banker, if they've got your best interest at heart, may say, well, normally we charge for business checking. However, you could get a personal account and put DBA, doing business as, whatever your business name is. And it's free. And you're going, right on. It's that's good. Business checking can get totally involved. They will eat you alive in fees. But the personal account, DBA, that you get for most of the time, you get for free. It's pretty cool. You're still got your business name out there. However, you are now, this is a business checking. Keep all of your money. Personal is over here, business is over here. Never mix the two. No, not for any reason. When your business needs an infusion of cash, which it probably will, you can write a personal check to the business, and in your accounting program, put owner's equity. There's a drop down for that. That way, that money came out of your personal checking, but it went into your business checking. The money is separated, and you will know what you've got invested in this business. Keep every receipt you get. Lunches, yes, meals and entertainment are business deductions. I always take the 50%, never take the 100%. Different tax implications there. Mileage. When you have business mileage, and I have a sheet, if you guys will email me at therev, THEREV, at astepabove.life, I will send you a sheet, and you can store it in it's a Excel spreadsheet, and you can store it on your computer with my permission. I'll put your business name at the top of the sheet for you, and then you can print off copies as you need them forever for free. I developed this sheet, 30 years ago. It's invaluable when it comes tax time. You've got record of your business miles, your personal miles, your medical miles, and your volunteer miles, because you may be asked to come to a school or something and say, hey, could you come over and talk to our school about your business? You can count it as volunteer or business, whichever you want. You're volunteering your time, and it is a business event for you. All right. Research before deciding on what bank that you're going to go with. That's important, because you're going to have long-term relationship with the personnel, the location, and this bank or credit union. And you want to make sure that you feel comfortable doing business there, that you feel welcome there, and that they are going to take care of you in a good way. So put at least $100 in your business account to get it started. That's owner's equity. Contact Square, SQUARE. They'll send you a free reader, or they may charge you $10 for the reader, and then once you activate your account, give you the $10 back. They do different promotions. Square is cool. You can take it, and let's see if I got my phone here. Yep, I've got an iPhone, and while they still got them, you can connect your Square reader to the slot on this iPhone. I hope they don't do away with that slot right. I don't know what I'm going to do. But anyway, it's really easy. It's easy to set up. You connect your Square to the bank account that you have already set up. And then when somebody swipes their reader, swipes their card on your reader, blip, 2 to 3 days later, it plops into your account, less Square's fee. I I actually don't know what that is. 2.5%, whatever it is. It's nothing because it's convenience for the customer. It's convenient for you. And that money goes in like clockwork. Swear it's dependable. It has been for several years for me, so that's all I can go by. Okay, here we go to marketing. And my time is zipping on here. Okay, we're going to say you're doing a home-based business. You're not worrying about an office or warehouse or anything. What is the most fundamental advertising piece you need? Right, business card. Probably 99.99% said that right away. It's so obvious. Your first impulse might be, hey, I'm going to go down to the office supply store and get some of those, blanks and come home and I'll print my cards out myself and I'll save money. And no, don't do that. That's like the worst. Those cards are flimsy, to say it in a nice way. They're nice cards. If you're just doing some kind of special gift hangout, like at a promotional event, and you were caught off guard and you didn't have time to have the cards printed up, don't use them for your business card. Anybody, you say you started in business, I've got my business and I've already got an appointment tomorrow. Great. When they ask for your business card, say, make sure you've done this. Order your business cards right away. Once you've got your business license, order your business cards. Make sure the card conveys the feel and type of business you're doing. Okay. You don't need high-end die-cut business cards that cost $90 $100 unless you're dealing with contracts that are in the hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars. You just don't. But you do need a good quality card. The thickness, you want the thicker cards, whatever, 14 point or 18 point, whatever they call it now. It's a thicker business card. It's not a basic business card. Sometimes they call it premium. The people that do business cards have different indicators how they explain that. But you want the premium business card, and you want it to be like a 14 point or an 18 point. That's what my printer uses to say what thickness you want. Thicker business cards don't bend like flimsy paper. Thick business cards will hold up to your pocket or whatever. Don't carry them in your pocket. I'm sorry I even said that. Make sure you get a business card case. Get a business card case that's not cheap looking. You don't have to pay a lot of money. I mean, you can pick up a leather business card case for $10, $15. I mean, they don't cost anything. But the presentation of when you open up, in my business card case, opens up from the top. And it's burgundy, and it has a gold, I should have got it. It has a gold tab across it. So when I flip up that thing, the case by itself makes a huge impact on people. And you can find this out just by watching their facial expressions when you're, let me get my business card for you. And then kind of out of the corner of your eye, look to see what their expression are when you whip out that nice business card case and you hand them a well-done business card. Most of these companies have free design help services. Some of them charge, but some of them are free. Get a well-done card. Think about, what do I want to present? Don't fill your card with all this gobs of information thinking, let me tell them everything I do. No. Focus on one thing you do. You want your website on there. Hopefully you've got a website. They don't cost hardly anything. You want your email address on there. You want your cell phone number on there. And if you have a landline, you want your landline number on there. If you have a separate fax number, put your fax number on there. Those are gottas. You got to do that. I print both sides of the card. Oh, that costs a little extra. I don't care. I want to bring in business. The front of the card is to make an impact on the person that you talk. It's got your name, your business name, email, website, and one phone number. The back has the other phone numbers. We're talking about home-based business. It has the other phone numbers, fax, whatever. And it gives a small blurb in the center of the card about what you do. We clean houses. They're spick and span when we're finished. That's kind of it. What do? We clean houses. What's it going to look like when you're done? They're going to be spick and span. Simple. Make the message simple so that it's memorable, and make the message. What does XYZ do? XYZ Cleaning do? They clean houses. Well, do they clean car motor? No, they clean houses. That's why you've got the back. Okay. I don't want to prolong this too much, but your business card represents you and your business. You want a quality card. Some of the companies I've used, Vistaprint, printitforless.com, and GotPrint. I've used all three of them. Prices vary. The offerings they have vary. Make sure that your business card and promotional material has the impact that you desire. Go through the offerings that these different places have. Pick out the card that you feel has got the most punch for your type of business. I particularly like the raised letter engraving. You got a thick card with the raised letter engraving, you have suddenly become at the top of the list when those people want that service. I'm just giving you a heads up. They think, I want this job done right. This simple little business card that about 72% of the businesses cheap out on and get the cheapest flat print, nothing card that some people just chunk in the trash when they get it. They'll keep your card and they feel that raised letter, the quality of the card, they go like, man, I'm calling these people. Because if they put this much attention to a business card, I know they're going to do the job right. All right, that's it for today. Enjoy the weekend. Enjoy and have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And remember, in everything you do the best quality and most professional image building way to do that, whether it's a business card, how you dress, keeping your car clean, whatever it is, always be a step above in that. Check out our website, www.astepabove.life. Email me for that free mileage log that I'll be glad to email to you guys. And you can use it for years and years. It really helps at tax time. You've got all a record of your miles, personal, business, medical, and volunteer. I've got columns. And you just print off one, keep it in your car, keep record of what you do. And when you're figuring up your taxes, man, it makes it go really smooth. Enjoy your day.